As we step into a new year, we're reminded that every beginning carries the opportunity to innovate, transform, and regenerate. Last year, the convergence of our groundbreaking technologies set the stage for a sustainable revolution in agriculture, waste management, and energy production. This year, the synergy between Terreplenish, Easy-Energy's modular systems, and Easy Nano-Void Technologies is redefining how we approach sustainability, making it more achievable and impactful within local communities than ever before. Terreplenish represents a leap forward in sustainable farming. By transforming food and green bio-waste into a liquid microbial solution, it not only reduces landfill dependency but also enriches soil health. Terreplenish fixes nitrogen, solubilizes legacy phosphorus, and improves soil resilience to climate challenges like drought and erratic rainfall. With its ability to increase crop yields and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers, Terreplenish turns agriculture into a regenerative process, protecting the environment while feeding the world. Easy Energy Systems Easy-Fehn modular units provide a flexible, scalable solution to convert organic waste into valuable byproducts. These compact systems can process up to 2 tons of food waste or green biomass per hour, generating up to 1.5 million gallons of Terreplenish annually, enough to supply 750,000 acres of farmland soil, worth over $30 million in market value. By integrating seamlessly into urban and rural settings, these systems enable communities to close the loop on waste management while creating new revenue streams. Easy Nano-Void water purification technology adds a layer of precision and efficiency that elevates both waste processing and agricultural application. By enhancing the breakdown of organic materials and improving the dispersion of nutrients at the molecular level, Easy Nano-Void accelerates the benefits of Terreplenish. It ensures resources are utilized to their fullest potential, minimizing waste and maximizing results. The combined power of these technologies goes beyond individual benefits. Together, they create a circular economy that addresses multiple environmental challenges simultaneously. Here's how. Food and green biomass waste are no longer a liability but a resource, converted into Terreplenish and other valuable byproducts. Regenerated soil with improved water retention and nutrient absorption reduces carbon emissions and combats desertification. Easy Energy Systems generate renewable energy and products locally, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and large-scale infrastructure. Modular, automated, and adaptable, these systems are ready to be deployed anywhere in the world, empowering communities to take charge of their sustainability journey. This new year, we are committed to embracing a more sustainable future powered by innovation. By harnessing the potential of Terreplenish, Easy Energy Systems, and Easy Nano-Void Technologies, we're not just solving today's problems, we're building a resilient foundation for generations to come. Together, we will transform waste into wealth, restore balance to our ecosystems, and create a legacy of abundance for the planet. Cheers to 2025, a year of thriving growth, renewal, and boundless sustainable opportunities.